Hello Sudoku friends, welcome in this edition of today's newspaper on Thursday, October the 29th, 2020. In this edition, we have here a Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars and 4 stars, a tectonic with 1 star, tectonic number 2 with 3 stars, and a binary. So total of 7 extra Sudokus, and I won't do them all. I only do the 3 stars, the 4 stars, 1 tectonic and 1 binary. So I will do 4 of them, 4 out of 7. Alright, and the first one, the 3 stars will be number 1815. And before I start, I always count the printed numbers. The 3 stars Sudokus has always 25 printed digits. I have already counted, so you can check if I'm correct. 25 printed digits. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? 666. 263. Difficult. Let me see. 263 149. This row, the third row, we have 6 missing numbers. No, I cannot do this because let me scan this again. How about yeah, the 7 in this row, the 7 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. Now we have 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 5. We have a 4 and a 5 in this middle row, so no 4 and a 5 in these 2 boxes. The 4 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark them for you, 4 and a 5. That means the other 2 numbers in this big square should be the numbers 8 and 6. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in the middle row. Those numbers are the 2 and the 3. We have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And then we have a pair in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 6. We see here 2 and a 6 in this row, so no 2 and a 6 in this box. We see here 2 and a 6 in this column, so no 2 and a 6 in that box. So the 2 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes. It's a pair, so I cannot fill this yet. I need more numbers. So the other 2 numbers in this big square should be the 9 and the 4. 9 and the 4. We see here 9. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 4 goes there. So, and now 1, 5, 7. Interesting. Alright. So we have a 2 in this row, a 2 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here. Or there we see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places for the 2 should be here. Or there we see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 2. How about the 1 in this column, the 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place for the 1 should be there. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 3 missing numbers in this column. Those numbers are the 4, the 8, and the 9. 4, 8, 9 are missing. We see here an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in this box. Then 8, no 8 in that box, so the 8 should be in this box. 9 and a 4 are left. 9 and a 4, I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. We have an 8 in this column, an 8 in that column, so the middle column, the only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 6. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then we have a 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the middle column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here. Oh, there we see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Interesting. We have a 3 in this row, a 3 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here, or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, here 3, no 3 there, the only place for the 3 should be there. And then yes, and then let me see. We have yes. We have a pair 2 and a 6 in this row, 2 and a 6 in the second row. So in the third row, 2 of those boxes must be 2 and the 6. We see here 2 and a 6, so no 2 and a 6 in this box, so the 2 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Yes. So here we have 2 and a 6 as a pair. Here also a pair 4 and a 5. So 1 number left. This should be the number 8. 8 is missing. Alright. This is also a pair. So we need a pair in the first column for the numbers 4 and 9. 4 and 9. Let me mark them again. 4 and then a 9. 1, 5, 7. 1, 5, 7 are missing. Let me see. 9 and 4. We have a pair also. 9 and a 4. 9 and a 4. That means the other 2 numbers, This is 9 and a 4. Let me mark them for you so you can follow it easier. So 4 and a 9 are missing in this column. We have a 4 and a 9 here as a pair in this first row. So two missing numbers cannot be 4 and a 9 because those are 4 and a 9. The other two should be the 7 and the 5. 7 and a 5. Look, we have a 7 here, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes in there. 5 in this row, 5 in the third row, so in the row between the second row, the only place for the 5 should be there. One number left in this column for the number 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the third row, so in the row between the second row, the only two places for the 1 here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the last column, 1 in that column, so in the column between, only 3 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, here 1, no 1 there. Only place for the 1 should be there, and all the ones are used. I can see digit number 1. How about, yes, in this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these two boxes, so the 9 could be here or there. Let me mark them. It's 1, 2, 6, 3, 8. So the 7 is missing here in the third row. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there, and the 4 is missing. The 4 could be everywhere. So we have one box left in this big square for the number 8. 8 is missing. 7 should be here. Alright, so we have an 8 in this row, 8 in the last row, so in the row between. Only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in that column, so the column between. The only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 2. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 4 and 7. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. And I've marked those these 3 boxes with 7 and a 4, 9 and a 4, 9, 4 and 7. We have a 4 here, so this can be a 4, and this we have a 9 there, so this can be a 9. So one digit left should be the 7. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the last column, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 3. Then we have here 2 boxes left in this big square, the 4 and the 9, 4 and the 9. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 box left in this column for the number 9. 1 box left in this row for the number 9. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. Then 1 box left in the middle column for the number 5, I believe. Yes, 5 is missing. Missing 5. Those 2 numbers in this big square for the numbers 3 and 6. No, I cannot fill. Oh, 3 and 6. No. We have a 6 in this big square, and there are 6. So 3 and 4. 3 and 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 3 goes there. Almost made the mistake, but I have recovered it. So let me see. 4, 5. How about these 3 numbers? 6 is missing. 5 is missing. And the 3 is missing. The 3. 3, 5, 6. 3, 5, 6. And look, 3, 5. So no 3, 5 in this box. So the 6 goes here. The 3 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. Now we have a 6 here. So this is going to be a 6 anymore. This should be a 2 and this should be a 6. Now we have a 6 there. So this is going to be a 6 anymore. This should be the 6 and this should be a 2. 1 box left in the last row for the number 9. Now we have a 9 here. So this is going to be 9 anymore. This should be the 9. And this should be a 4. Then 2 numbers left in this column. For the numbers 2, yes, 2 is missing. We see here a 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the number 3 is missing. I need a 3 here. So now 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 3 and 5, we have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 5. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For the numbers 4 and 6. We have a 6 now, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and a 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers, 4 and a 5. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. All right. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the second Sudoku in this additional. It will be a 4-star Sudoku, so see you later. Bye bye for now.